Hey guys, it's April 19th today. So, starting from tomorrow, we're gonna be doing a 30 days challenge.
Man,
Tell them what it's about, wives.
you know, when you are on screen, you actually do put in like 10 pounds. Look at that.
Shit, for real. Man,
Maybe that's why we are gonna wake up every morning 4:30 and go to the gym.
Day one. I just woke up.
Bitch, I'm back. How popular the land.
What was the deal was this? Getting up at 4:30 to go to the gym. Help me.
It's 5 in the morning. I'm on my way to the gym right now for the first day of our challenge.
Some people out there, this is not a challenge. This is probably their normal schedule, but for us, this is the hardest thing. Here it is. Man, that's a bad parking. It's too early for that.
No, it ain't.
Check out all these people here at the gym. These are the people who got their straight.
Early birds. Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hype!
Still hate waking up this early.
Rain or shine, this is the current status right here.
Rain or shine, you gotta grind.
I wish I can go back to sleep right now. This is the perfect time to go back to sleep.
Why is it so hard to do? Why is it so hard to wake up? I just want to stay in bed.
Today our YouTube channel actually is making a difference. We have one guy who decided to join the gym
Mark,
What's up, guys? And he is motivated.
we're motivating him to wake up early and start his day off early.
What's your goal? What's your goal, Mark?
Man, get back healthy, you know, start living life to the fullest. Got hyped when I watched your videos.
Oh, and stop
Decided to take you guys out, and so far I'm happy.
and stop smoking.
Yep.
gonna do some cardio.